Hey, 10th grade. So today we're going to do a quick overview of meiosis. And this is a very complex topic, but we are only making a slide of it. So on this slide, you need to have three things. First, you need to have the definition. You need to have the function or the purpose of meiosis. And then I'd like a picture, and everything needs to be cited. So let's get started. I want to try to show you an example of this. So I put meiosis into my search engine and a lot of stuff comes up, but I found this website at biologydictionary.net, meiosis. And so I'm going to copy this right now and go to my works cited slide. And I'm going to add this as my 9th website. So the first thing I want to add is the definition. And I'll put my quotation marks there. Gonna fix my spelling. And the definition of meiosis is a process in eukaryotic sexually reproducing animals that reduces the number of chromosomes in a cell before reproduction. Okay. So I'm going to copy and paste this. I'm going to add my quotation marks, and I'm going to cite this with a 9 because, as I just showed you, is my 9th website. Then I'm going to write purpose. And this is also something that you can find on this website, or if you want, if you find a different website, you can go to that one and have another citation instead of 9. Meiosis is necessary in many sexually reproducing animals to ensure that the same number of chromosomes in the offspring as the parents. Okay, so this is really important. Sorry about that. Put my quotation marks down and cite my evidence. This is still my 9th website. Also, if the number of alleles in each gene is not reduced to 1 in the gametes that produce the zygote, there will be 4 copies of each gene of the offspring. There's a lot of vocabulary in there. Let's see. Many animals, this would lead to developmental defects. In other organisms, polyploidy is common and consists with many copies of the same gene. This is really important. Meiosis occurs in 2 distinct divisions, each with different phases. So I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to also add this to my definition. So using quotation marks, and I'm going to cite this with a number 9. Okay. Now to get my picture, I want to make sure that I have room enough for it. So I'm going to move this down a little bit. Still have room down at the bottom for my picture. And I'm going to go back to my search engine, and there's a lot of image results for meiosis. It's a very important part of biology because for any animal that reproduces sexually, this is what happens. So I really like this one. Let me take a closer look. So it has the vocabulary there, it takes the steps, and then you each have so you start out with 2, but you end with 4 of the haploid ones. I like it. Copy and paste it. And let's see if we can make this as big as possible. Right? And then to close, I just have a few seconds left. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste. All right, so we have our definition, we have our purpose. I'll format this later, and then we have our picture. That's what's due. Bye, guys.